If you were to ask me what's created the most millionaires ever, the answer would be real estate. Everybody already knows that. But if you were to ask me what's going to create the most millionaires ever, my answer would be different. That answer is cryptocurrency. It is the fastest appreciating asset of all time. In my opinion, crypto might be the largest opportunity to build wealth ever. Today, I'm gonna show you how I'm investing into crypto. This is Austin Rutherford, where we talk business, finance, and real estate. So I've been investing into real estate for almost 7 years now, and it's been great. You know, I've made millions of dollars. I've bought and still own today millions and millions of dollars with millions of dollars in net worth in real estate. And even with all of that, I have never seen what I'm seeing now in the cryptocurrency market. I started investing into cryptocurrencies in like October, November of 2020. So about 4 months ago from the day I'm filming this video. That's a lie. I actually invested into crypto at the peak in 2018 when it was like at all times high. Luckily, I only put about $1,000 into it. I put it in Bitcoin and Litecoin, and then it crashed and I lost it and I just completely forgot about it until a friend of mine brought it back up on my radar in October or November. At that time, I ended up buying back into cryptocurrency. I bought into Bitcoin when it was about $8,000, and I bought into Ethereum when it was about $300 to $400. If you look at the charts now, Bitcoin recently hit $55,000, and it's right around the $50,000 mark when I'm filming this video. Ethereum recently hit the $2,000 mark, and it's right about $1,500 when filming this video. So just think about the returns on that. One Bitcoin at 8 grand could be worth $50,000 to $55,000, just one of them. That's a great return. It's a 6 to 7x on your money, which is very difficult to do in real estate. So basically in crypto, kind of on accident, you know, I've been able to make multiple 6 figures in profit. But the more I look into it and dive deep into it, the returns can get absolutely insane. You know, we're not talking 1, 2, 3x, which is great, but there's actually one coin that did a 1200x, not a 1200%, but a 1200x. It went from 52 cents to $599. Look at the chart, it's crazy. It's ARV, it's absolutely nuts. If you would have put in $1,000, it'd be worth 1.2 million. If you'd have put $10,000 in, it'd be worth 12 million. If you put $100,000 in, it'd be worth 120 million. I've never seen an asset class appreciate that quickly. Never seen it before. And that's just one of many, many examples. I have friends that bought coins at 0.002 cents. So 2/10 of a penny, they bought 28 million coins. And the coin's now worth $1 a piece. That's $28 million. Let's say that coin goes to $100. That's $280 million. Never seen anything like this before. Long story short, I've become very fond of cryptocurrencies. And recently I made the largest investment I've ever made in my life into crypto. I'm not gonna tell you how much money it was, but it was a large sum, largest for me ever. And we're gonna see how it pans out. But I'm obviously definitely hoping it goes to the moon, as people would say nowadays. I wanna know first, what are your thoughts on cryptocurrencies? Is it something you believe in or something you haven't even looked at? And if you do believe it, what coins are you seeing that could have some potential growth? And also, just to clarify this video, I'm not giving you legal advice, I'm not giving you financial advice. Definitely consult with your own advisors. I'm just telling you what I'm doing personally. And to tell you that, when I got into crypto, 80% of my money was in Bitcoin and Ethereum. It was heavily invested into Bitcoin and Ethereum. In my opinion, Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't just gonna disappear. They're not gonna go to zero. I feel like they're too big to go to zero right now. So it's a nice store of value. It's definitely gonna have fluctuations, you know, big fluctuations, but you're not gonna go to zero, right? So 80% of my money was in those coins, 20% were in these coins called altcoins, basically alternative coins. It's the smaller coins that were there, but those are the coins that have higher potential to have exponential growth. So I guess you could kind of say I was kind of playing it safe, having most of my money in safe coins. But after looking at these charts and seeing what some of these charts have done, it's kind of changed my thought process around. So honestly now I've changed my Bitcoin and Ethereum coins into other alternative coins. Now my holdings is about 25% Bitcoin and Ethereum and 75% alternative coins. And again, I'm not telling you to do that. This is just me personally, and I want the upside. I want the exponential growth potential that exists in some of these alternative coins, so that's why I made the change personally. Just play with some numbers and don't put any money into crypto that you're not willing to lose, because crypto is still a relatively new thing. Real estate isn't going to disappear. Crypto, you never know what might happen to this thing. It's still new. It still has a lot of fluctuations inside of it daily, big time. So don't put any money into crypto that you're not willing to lose. And if you're brand new to cryptocurrencies, most people recommend like a 1 to 3% of your net worth to be invested into crypto. So if you want to get started, I use an app called Voyager. There's a lot of apps out there, a whole bunch of them that you can buy cryptocurrencies on. I use an app called Voyager. And if you're interested in starting investing into crypto, if you click the link in the description below, you can sign up for a Voyager app and they'll actually give you a piece of Bitcoin for free by using the link below. And again, I just want to make it very clear here. Do not put any money in there that you cannot live without. Don't put your rent money invested into crypto, because that never ends well. Only put extra money that you're willing to lose into cryptocurrencies. But it's that little bug in the back of my head. One of my fears is having regret on my deathbed. There's one coin that I invested heavily into, and it's up about 20% in the last 24 hours, and I'm sitting here regretting not putting more money into this investment. I just don't want you to miss the wave. Like I genuinely, truly believe that cryptocurrencies, there'll be more millionaires made in cryptocurrencies than anything ever before in a way faster time period. That's just my personal opinion. I could be very, very wrong, and I could lose a lot of money by having that belief, but hey, I don't want regrets in my life. I want to go after the potential to see that exponential growth. Comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Again, crypto's kind of new to the market still for a lot of people, so I want to know what you're thinking. Comment below. What are your thoughts on crypto? Are you invested? Are you not? Why do you believe in it? Why do you not believe it? Make sure you hit that like button while you're down there. Hit that subscribe button so you get all this content going forward. I'll continue to update you on how my investments are going inside of crypto. And as always, I appreciate you being here, and we'll see you on the next one.